For many homeowners in Glendale, Arizona, the patio is more than just an outdoor space, it's an extension of their home. Whether it's hosting weekend barbecues, relaxing in the evening breeze, or enjoying a quiet view of the desert landscape, the connection between indoor and outdoor living is an essential part of Glendale's lifestyle. That's why more homeowners are investing in modern patio door upgrades, not only to beautify their homes but also to improve comfort, energy efficiency, and functionality. Today's patio doors offer more than style. They're engineered for performance, durability, and effortless living. Here's why upgrading to modern patio doors is one of the best home improvements Glendale residents can make. Bringing the outdoors in Glendale, homeowners love sunshine, but not necessarily the heat that comes with it. Modern patio doors strike the perfect balance by letting in abundant natural light while maintaining indoor comfort. Large glass panels and slim, sleek frames maximize views of the outdoors, creating an open, airy atmosphere that makes living spaces feel larger. Whether you choose sliding glass doors or French-style patio doors, these designs help blur the line between indoor and outdoor living, a must-have feature in homes where entertaining and relaxation go hand in hand. Additionally, new glass technologies allow sunlight in without excessive glare or heat, so you can enjoy the view while keeping your home cool and comfortable all year long. Energy efficiency that saves money in Glendale's hot desert climate. Keeping your home energy efficient is essential. Older patio doors often have gaps or single-pane glass that allow heat to enter and cool air to escape, causing your HVAC system to work overtime. Modern patio doors are designed with advanced insulation and energy-saving technology, such as double or triple pane glass for superior thermal performance. Low emissivity coatings that reflect infrared heat while allowing light to pass through. Weather-resistant seals to eliminate drafts and air leaks. Durable, insulated frames that resist warping from Arizona's intense sun. These features help maintain stable indoor temperatures, reduce energy costs, and improve your home's sustainability, all while enhancing comfort. Improved security and durability. Today's patio doors aren't just beautiful, they're built to be strong and secure. Many Glendale homeowners upgrade for peace of mind, knowing their doors are designed with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass. Whether you prefer vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass frames, modern materials resist corrosion, fading, and warping, even under harsh sun exposure. That means your doors will stay attractive and functional for decades with minimal maintenance, a key benefit in Arizona's demanding environment. For families, upgraded doors with laminated or tempered glass also provide safety advantages by reducing the risk of breakage and improving home security. Enhanced aesthetics and property value. Your patio door is a major design element that contributes to your home's overall look. Outdated or worn-out doors can make your home appear aged or less inviting. Modern patio doors, on the other hand, come in a variety of styles, finishes, and configurations that can complement any home, from sleek contemporary designs to classic French doors that add timeless charm. Upgrading to a stylish, energy-efficient patio door instantly boosts curb appeal and property value. In Glendale's competitive real estate market, these upgrades make a noticeable impression on potential buyers who value modern design and energy efficiency. Smooth operation and easy maintenance. Older patio doors can stick, jam, or become difficult to open and close over time. Modern designs feature precision rollers, sturdy tracks, and advanced hardware that ensure smooth, effortless operation. Many models are also low maintenance, built with materials like vinyl or aluminum that require no painting or refinishing. With proper professional installation, your patio door will open easily and seal tightly for years to come. No hassle, no fuss. Final thoughts for Glendale homeowners. Upgrading to modern patio doors isn't just about looks, it's about transforming the way you experience your home. These doors combine beauty, energy efficiency, and functionality, helping you make the most of your Arizona lifestyle. From reducing energy costs to enhancing comfort and security, Today's patio doors are built for the way Glendale families live, blending the indoors and outdoors into one inviting, efficient, and elegant space. When it's time to upgrade, trust a local Glendale patio door installation expert to help you find the perfect design that complements your home and enhances its value for years to come.